Got any gas up to the carburetors yet?
Yeah.
Just finally got up there, huh?
A lot quicker.
Got her in gear.
I hope not.
Okay, you're the gas pedal. I can't reach it. Probably doesn't even need it. Probably fire right up. If you know what I mean. So I'm out here jacking up the car, daydreaming about buying a new ZL1 Camaro and having YouTube pay for it by making a YouTube channel just for it, you know, like everybody else does, and that would make the payment on the car. And I didn't even notice I'm barely on this thing. And I'm wondering why Jim hasn't gotten underneath there yet. Well, back to reality. No 18 ZL1. At least not yet. Haven't got everybody convinced. I don't know, I think I got Jim convinced. It's Angel. Can't get convinced. But anyway, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do here to fix this situation.
I just want a bag truck.
You have a bag truck. Jim wants a 2018 Silverado.
I don't even have to be 18.
Oh, 17. As long as it's 15?
I didn't go back up for 14.
Oh, man. No, 13. 12? You going down to 12?
I don't know.
I think Gerald's is a 13. But anyway, let's make it happen. You want to go get one tomorrow?
Hey, you can get your car out of its truck.
All right. I'll do it. I can make a payment or two before I have to give it back.
I'll wait till after I get mine back or shit. And they can have all that shit too.
Right. And that way you can owe even more after they repossess it because they'll auction it off for $1,000.
Oh, you guys hacked it together. Look what they did. I don't know if anybody remembers these days.
I do, and they were sweet. I'm glad at least I got to enjoy them for a while.
Dad's pissed right now.
He is, because he's watching this right now.
Don't blame him.
I can put them on something.
Whatever.
I can put them back on this. Shoot flames out the front fenders.
You won't do it.
I can put them on them.
I'm ready to do it right now. Let's cut the fucking pipes out right now.
Alright, let's do it. Want you to let this back down?
I definitely want you to put it back down. It's barely on there.
I'm going to get a jack stand or two.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
But I don't know who's going to put them in under there because I'm not getting under there.
Good room. Eugene, we got a job for you.
Right.
Be brave, Eugene. Be brave.
I don't know if I can do this. I better turn the camera off in case this gets ugly.
One of these spider caps broke into 2 pieces. It's supposed to be one piece. Find out if it smells growing. Not even looking.
So you can't put plastic chrome in? I've waited so long to get rid of those. They can actually only go on one way because the hole's slotted for that peg.
That's good.
You can see the outline of where they used to be.
Yeah.
Why do I still put those stupid Ford things on there?
I don't know. That looks much better.
Totally missed Jim's expert torch lightning techniques.
Lightning, huh?
Torch lightning. I think, but see, I don't know if it moves backwards because this is where the marks were. Like it was right there, but those marks I put on it are further forward, so this will bash that whole top in.
Well, we'll get this, and then we'll come up here and bring this down to here. I think this is. I think that's from the tool when they bent this. Is what that's from.
But then it's definitely forward more, because it looked like it was up in this area here where it would hit.
All right, give her a little look test.
These are called horsepower tanks. doesn't hit. Something's else will get through there. You got her pretty red.
Trying to make your job easier.
I can't even tell from this far away how much it's moving.
It's moving a lot.
I'm going to stop then. Up here. Guess I should have turned the audio back on. That's going to sound tasty. Can't figure out this.
Well, this whole ups.
Alright, now if you just cool her down so we can touch it.
Oh, my oxygen.
Oh, great. Can't do no. Luckily I'm breathing some. I can't have that.
Right, that's what I.
Yeah, then you got the damn shifter part too.
Son of a. This one I thought we were gonna make. Oh God, that's better. Yeah, gas pedal hole.
Yeah. And a wrinkle remover tool.
Right.
Good thing you got two of them.
Right. I thought you were going to warm up the deal for us to get this gas pedal thing.
That's the biggest stereo I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Sounds good. Can you hear it?
A little bit. Not over the compressor.
Remember that time I went to Sonic and went inside to eat?
I've done that.
Did you make yourself some food when you were back there?
No.
What do you guys make?
They shut me down pretty quick when I walked in.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
Shit, I didn't know.
Next to you. See, brand new blade. Just remember, these are right behind you. You need.
I'm cutting it way short. I mean long.
Okay, I'll get the Sharpie out.
I'm going for a little test.
Alright. So yeah, I got
Sharpie.
too short right there.
Well, you're going to put it in your kick panel with the speaker in there. You won't even see it. And you're just going to have to run 10s down there.
Mike's a real go-getter. That's why I like him. He's just over there getting shit done. He's only charging me $25 an hour. How much?
For 65.
65. That's more than Aaron's rate. We'll call it even on the white phase gauges.
Yeah, no. His idea wasn't to put the back seat in.
I know. But there's nowhere really for that to go. I don't know what. I think before it was just glued to that piece of aluminum. I don't know if we can tuck it like butt it right up.
I got all your wiring coming out through here too, so
Right.
it's gonna be pretty tight.
Today on the Mike and Jim show, we install some carpet. And then we go inside Sonic for a bite to eat.
Would you pull the plug out?
That's the starter.
I got shit.
Keep going.